just found the most amazing time-saving feature in Adobe Express. So if you see down here, there's a bunch of videos that kind of all look the same. Well, it's because I'm building a training center. And I had made a lot of these before I got organized. And so then I was like, I'm not organized. So then I went in and I made a project. And once I made the project for Twin Cities right here, training and compliance, I just started grabbing all of the files that I have made and moving them into this folder. The next thing that I did that was really awesome is I went over here underneath the brand for Twin City and I started saving my templates. So I have a template and a format that's for all of their training that keeps it uniform. Really great. Love this. I was also able to share the entire project and the brand. And then by doing that, I was able to make sure anyone helped me on this process was also able to get access to the brand materials. So this has been absolutely great. I had like 50 of these things to do and I wasn't sure how I was going to get it all done. And this has become the lifesaver. You can see right here, so say you make something and you forget where you've saved it, it'll take you right to where it's supposed to be, which is great because from here, you can do all the other features and steps that you need to take. Say you started working, get really excited, that's something I do, and forget to save something in the project. It's very easy from here to go back, click down here, click move, and make sure everything is where it should be. So have some fun.